Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y28, and today I will show you how we can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and volume up. Let's try that again. Come on. There we go. And from the boot options, select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up again. Just wait for it to fully turn off. There we go. So power button, volume up. And you can see this takes us to the Fastboot mode. And here you'll use volume buttons to navigate to the options. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. We only have recovery mode as an option in here, so the other one is reboot, which takes us back to Android, so that's what I'm gonna utilize. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.